Panda Bros. Everybody, hello to a new episode of Call of Duty Black Ops 3, and it has been such a long time since I've seen you. I really apologize for that. My excuse? I'll get to that later. Probably tomorrow. Maybe another day. You know, because I might have one and I might not. But we're gonna hop into Team Deathmatch, as we usually do. And in the comment section below, you can just, tell me if you want to see me do any more challenges, like, I don't know. I have no idea. I don't know anymore. I don't knowledge well. I grammar well as well. Because well is well, grammar. I need friends. Alright, Cuda. Yes, look at me. I got a brand new Cuda. What's good? What's good, son? Alright, we're gonna go for a skip and a hop. Oh, I saw that. Cheeky piece of crap. Yeah, first kill. With this. Oh, what the heck? Did he quit? No, he didn't. He didn't. I thought if someone did, I would cry. Ooh, someone's over here. Ooh, level 2 already. Killing it. Yeah. Wow. Oh, what we gonna do? What we gonna do? Mashed potatoes! Aw. Man of War. I can give it Man of War. Man of War's 3-shot kill. I think it's 4-shot at long range. I might be wrong. I probably am. Shh. Shh. I saw a little cheeky bugger. Nope. Thanks for taking care of my kill. Let's take this. Nope, they're all behind us now. Oh, no, they're all in front. Oh, I don't know anymore. Alright. Let's spawn here. I can get them. Or not. That's pretty good as well. Really? What? That's how I end. That's how my life ends. What the? Did you guys see that? Because I saw that. What the heck was that? Whoa! What the heck happened there? What the heck? Oh, that thingy. I don't like that thingy. It's kind of weird. What the heck? Kill yourself! Okay, gotta focus. Focus mode activated. Heck. Look at me! Hello! It's me. I'm in Florida thinking of why these guys are cheap. Oh! That came out. Oh my gosh, how did that happen? I'm such a kill steal. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh. I need to record that. Oh wait, I am. What? What was that? Semtex. Semtex is pretty swag. Semtex are swag. Semtex is semi-swag. I'm such a mean person. Oh my gosh. Oh. What? I jumped. I could be. I'm not gonna say that. I might get bullied. If any of my classmates right now are watching this, I might be embarrassed. Or you might just be watching this on your own, but either way, don't make fun of me, please. I have a life. A life full of bamboo, but I have a life. Ish. I think. Oi! No enemies allowed. Redirect! Oh my god. I saw someone. Don't act like I didn't. Move! You're flipping locust. Whoa! 205 Brekkie. I guess somebody's using a shotgun. Wow, nice shotgun, bruh. Bruh. Everybody loves shotguns. Why? Because they're shotguns. Don't know who likes shotguns? Not me. Shotguns. I'm gonna call this video shotguns. Just why shotguns? You could go with anything else, but you gotta go with shotguns. You gotta go He killed me with a VMP from that range. You must be joking. At that range with a VMP is like winning the lottery. Sorry, I just deep breathed my mic. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh. I didn't. Holy crud! Look at that suppressor on that like flipping gun. It's the M87 with a suppressor. Oh my god, that's ridiculous. It's like a pistol, like it's like a mini pistol with a like a huge suppressor on it. I gotta be silent as a mouse. Okay. Picture of the day. That guy's M87. Oh my god. Yes, please. Somebody send me a video of like that guy or you having that gun with that suppressor. But anyways, I will thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Peace.